In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with GoBank online in 2025. This guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need to be an account holder with GO2bank, previously known as GoBank. This is a must-have prerequisite. If you don't already have a deposit account with them, you'll need to set one up to proceed with your credit card application. Once you're an account holder, the next step involves meeting the direct deposit requirement. This generally means you need to have at least $100 in direct deposits into your GO2 bank account over the past 30 days. This particular requirement is crucial, as it reflects your regular inflow of funds, which banks often look for when assessing credit card applications. After ensuring these requirements are met, you'll want to log into your GO2 bank account either using their app or through their website. Having easy access to your account will not only allow you to manage your finances efficiently, but also facilitate the application process. Now, while you're within the app or on the website, look for the Apply option. This will usually appear on your dashboard under Secured Credit Card or as a button labeled Apply Now. Go ahead and click on that. Next, it's time to fill out the application. Here, you'll be required to provide information such as your monthly income and expenses. Sharing accurate details is vital because these figures help determine your eligibility and potential credit limit. Additionally, you will need to submit identity information, including your social security number and personal details. Pay close attention to every section to ensure everything is correctly completed and up to date. Once everything is filled out, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions and submit your application. In many cases, you might be fortunate enough to receive an instant approval decision. However, if your application gets flagged for further review, perhaps due to compliance checks such as those involving the Office of Foreign Assets Control, approval might take a bit longer. If you receive the green light, it's time to make your security deposit. The amount of money you deposit, starting as low as $100, will become your credit limit. Think of this step as securing a line of credit with your own funds, which echoes the process of building trust with the bank. Finally, once your card is issued, you can begin using it. Remember, it's essential to use your card responsibly and make on-time payments. By doing so, you'll not only enjoy the convenience of a credit card, but also work towards building a solid credit history. That's it. This process should have you holding a new GoBank credit card in no time. Thank you for watching, and may your credit journey be a successful one.